What's up, my woodworking friends? You know what it is? It's Free Tip Friday! Free tips! We're going to give you a free tip to help you keep organized, especially with your little cutoffs. Let me show you something. So you got all these plywood cutoffs. It's good plywood. This is Baltic birch. You don't want to throw this away, man. You want to save it because you can use it for little projects. It's not expensive, but it is expensive. If you can understand that. You don't want to throw this stuff away. And no matter how small it gets, you don't want to throw it away because it's always useful for something. Either building a smaller project or using it for bracing in a project. This stuff, man, you can't beat this stuff. Let me show you something to help keep you. So this is what I do with my cutoffs. Yeah, you're probably saying, hey man, why are you saving that? You're crazy, because it's useful for something. You could use this for bracing in a cabinet, shelving. You know, it's still usable wood, and it doesn't take up much room. So what I do to help ease this situation when I'm looking for things is I mark the dimensions of this piece on the end. So this is 29 by 1. You see, I mark them all. And it's easy to do that while it's in your hand, right? And what I do is I have a yardstick that I mounted here, right? So I just put it up here and I say, hey, I know how long it is. Flip it, I know how wide it is. Hey, that's a tip for today. Be safe in your shop and in your job site. Whatever you're doing. Until the next time. See ya. Oh, yeah. See, I don't even throw away those pieces. I save them. Tiny little ones. See ya.